Hello, my friends. Welcome to our English Simple class. Today we will learn the amazing story of Nike. It is one of the world's most famous sports brands. Now, let's begin. Nike is known around the world. Millions of people wear Nike shoes every day. Athletes trust the brand. Students also love Nike products. Its story began with a simple dream. The story starts with a young man named Phil Knight. He was born on February 24, 1938. He grew up in Portland, Oregon. As a child, he loved sports. He also enjoyed learning new things. Phil worked hard in school. He liked running and athletics. Sports became an important part of his life. He believed good shoes could help athletes. This idea stayed with him. After college, Phil joined Stanford University. There he wrote a business paper. His paper had a simple idea. He wanted to sell high-quality sports shoes. The idea would later change his life. Phil believed Japanese shoes could compete with expensive brands. He thought they could be affordable and reliable. Many people did not believe his idea. But Phil trusted his dream. He decided to take the first step. Phil traveled to Japan. He visited a shoe company. He was impressed by their products. He asked if he could sell the shoes in America. The company agreed. When Phil returned home, he needed help. He met his former coach, Bill Bowerman. Bill loved sports and running. He also wanted better shoes for athletes. The two men became business partners. In 1964, they started a company together. The company was called Blue Ribbon Sports. It was a very small business. They had little money, but they had a big dream. At first, Phil sold shoes from the trunk of his car. He traveled to running events. He talked to athletes. He showed them the new shoes. Many runners liked them. Phil worked very hard every day. He packed the shoes himself. He delivered them to customers. He answered every question with a smile. The business slowly began to grow. Bill Bowerman wanted to make better running shoes. He tested many new ideas. He changed the shape of the soles. He wanted athletes to run faster. His designs became very popular. More runners started buying their shoes. They told their friends about the brand. Sales increased little by little. The small company became stronger. The future looked bright. A few years later, the company made an important decision. They wanted their own brand. They also wanted a new name. Everyone shared different ideas. Choosing the right name was not easy. One employee suggested the name Nike. Nike was the Greek goddess of victory. The name sounded simple and powerful. Everyone liked it. The company accepted the name. Nike also needed a new logo. A young design student created it. She drew a simple curved mark. Today it is called the swoosh. It became famous around the world. At first, Phil was not completely sure about the logo. He looked at it carefully. Then he decided to use it. Later, the swoosh became one of the world's most recognized logos. It represented speed and movement. Nike introduced its first shoes under the new name. Athletes enjoyed wearing them. The shoes were light and comfortable. They also performed very well. Customers were happy. The company continued to improve every product. It listened to athletes carefully. New ideas became new designs. Quality remained the top priority. Nike earned more trust every year. The small business that started with a car trunk had now become a growing company. Phil and Bill were proud of their journey. Their dream was becoming a reality. Even greater success was still ahead. The Nike story continued. Nike continued to grow every year. More athletes started wearing Nike shoes. The company became popular across America. People trusted the quality of its products. The future looked very exciting. Bill Bowerman always looked for better ideas. One morning he saw a waffle maker in his kitchen. It gave him a new idea. He wondered if a shoe sole could have the same pattern. His idea changed Nike forever. Bill poured rubber into the waffle maker. The first test did not go perfectly. But he learned from the mistake. He kept improving the design. He never gave up. The new waffle sole was light and strong. It gave runners better grip on the ground. Athletes loved the new design. Nike became even more popular. Sales increased quickly. The company continued creating new products. It also entered new sports. Nike made shoes for basketball, tennis, and football. More people became Nike customers. The brand reached new markets. Nike believed every athlete deserved great equipment. It wanted to help people perform better. The company listened to professional athletes. Their feedback helped improve every product. Innovation became part of Nike's culture. In the 1980s, Nike introduced a new slogan. It was short and powerful. The slogan was, "Just do it." People around the world remembered those words. They inspired millions. The slogan became more than advertising. It encouraged people to believe in themselves. It told everyone to keep moving forward. People of all ages loved the message. It became part of Nike's identity. Nike continued to expand around the world. Its products reached many countries. New stores opened every year. The company became one of the biggest sports brands. Its success continued to grow. The dream that started with 2 people had become a global success. Hard work, creativity, and courage made it possible. Nike inspired athletes everywhere. Its journey was far from over. The story continued. Nike wanted to inspire every athlete. The company believed everyone could improve. It supported both beginners and professionals. Its message reached people around the world. The brand became stronger every year. In 1984, Nike partnered with Michael Jordan. He was a young basketball player. Nike believed in his talent. Together they created something special. It changed sports history. Nike introduced the first Air Jordan shoes. Many people wanted to buy them. The design was bold and different. Fans loved the new style. The shoes became a huge success. The Air Jordan brand continued to grow. New models were released every year. People waited eagerly for each launch. Some customers stood in long lines. The shoes became legendary. Nike also worked with many famous athletes. Runners, football players, and tennis stars joined the brand. They wore Nike during important competitions. Their success inspired millions of fans. Nike became a trusted name in sports. The company invested in new technology. It created lighter and more comfortable shoes. Each new design improved performance. Athletes noticed the difference. Innovation remained a priority. Nike also made sports clothing and equipment. It offered products for many different sports. Customers could find everything they needed. The company continued to grow. its business became even stronger. Today, Nike products are sold in many countries. The famous swoosh logo is recognized almost everywhere. Millions of people wear Nike every day. The brand continues to inspire new generations. Its journey is still continuing. The story of Nike teaches us an important lesson. Great success begins with a simple idea. Hard work and patience make dreams possible. Never stop believing in yourself. Keep moving forward. Thank you for reading with me today. I hope you enjoyed the story of Nike. Keep practicing English every day. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more easy English stories. See you in the next video.